Welcome to this peaceful meditation, centered on the heart chakra, the seat of love, compassion, and emotional harmony. The heart chakra, located in the center of your chest, shines with a gentle, green light, like the warmth of spring and the embrace of kindness. By nurturing this energy center, we open ourselves to unconditional love, both for ourselves and for others, and create space for healing and forgiveness. Settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep, steadying breath. Allow your body to relax as we embark on this journey of self-compassion and inner peace. Feel yourself gently supported, safe, and at ease. Allow any tension in your body to melt away with each breath. Feel the rhythm of your breath, rising and falling, grounding you in the present moment. Now, imagine a warm, green light glowing softly in the center of your chest. As you breathe, feel this gentle light expanding, filling your heart, your chest, and radiating outward. With each inhale, the light grows brighter, bringing warmth, compassion, and peace to your whole being. With each breath, invite love and kindness into your heart. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, letting them become part of your inner truth. I am open to giving and receiving love. My heart is a safe space filled with compassion and kindness. I forgive myself and others with grace and ease. Love flows freely within me and around me. I am connected to others through empathy and understanding. Allow each affirmation to settle deep within, blossoming within you like petals unfolding, bringing a sense of warmth and unity. Now, imagine this green light expanding beyond your body, radiating out like ripples on a calm lake. See yourself surrounded by a soft, green aura, filled with warmth and understanding. Visualize this loving energy connecting you to all living things, friends, family, nature, even strangers. You are a beacon of love and compassion, harmonizing with the world around you. Repeat these thoughts, allowing them to echo in your heart. I am love. My heart radiates kindness and compassion. I am open to the beauty of love and connection. I am aligned with peace, joy, and understanding. Let these affirmations flow through you, as this radiant green light becomes stronger, surrounding you with harmony. Now, as you rest in this field of love, take a few slow, deep breaths, drawing this green light deeper into your heart. Release any remaining pain, any lingering worry, allowing your heart to be filled with nothing but warmth and peace. In this stillness, let yourself feel whole, healed, and open. Rest in the knowledge that you are a source of love and healing for yourself and others. Allow this inner peace to grow, radiating outward in all directions. I am peace, I am love. My heart is healed, whole, and open. I embrace myself and others with compassion and understanding. Allow these thoughts to settle gently within, bringing comfort to every part of your being. As we complete this meditation, take a moment to feel the warmth in your heart and the peace that fills you. Imagine this green light softly glowing in your chest, a steady source of love and compassion that you carry with you everywhere. Reflect on the love you've cultivated here today, love for yourself, for others, and for the world. Feel a sense of gratitude for this practice, for your open heart, and for the journey you're on. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings, noticing any sounds or sensations around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling grounded and present, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this loving energy with you as you move through your day, knowing that you can return to this peaceful place of compassion and connection anytime you need. Thank you for sharing this space with your heart. If this meditation brought you peace and connection, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue sharing these moments of calm and healing. Thank you for joining us, and may your heart stay open and filled with love.